Hey everyone, today I'd like to go over what's exciting in my day today. I made over 2,265, which is my all-time highest green day. And I also passed my Leeloo trading combine, which I have been pursuing for 3 months. If you include all of my other trading combines with other prop firms, mainly Top Step, I've only used Top Step and Leeloo, then I've been doing these combines for a year and 3 months. So it's been a long journey, and yeah, I'm really proud of myself for actually passing. So I want to go over the trades that I took that put me over the finish line, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so unfortunately, these are not recorded in real time. I haven't been doing that lately because it puts a lot of strain on my computer and it's not the greatest. So, but I'll consider doing it once again. But yeah, so 8:30 the market opened here, and well, actually scratch that. Let me go over what's on my screen right now. The red line is the 200 moving average. The yellow line is my 20 moving average. Down here is my RSI. I like to have the ticks remaining going. Since this is a tick chart, I use ticks remaining. And I'm trading the NASDAQ 1000 tick chart. I used to trade the 2000 tick chart. The lowest I only trade is like 1000 during the market open, and during after hours maybe the 100 tick chart or the 50, but I don't really do that. So okay, now knowing what my moving averages are, my strategy, as I like to trade when the 20 moving average is, I like taking shorts when the 20 moving average, this yellow line, is below the 200, the red line. And I like to go long when the yellow line is above the red line. So they both should be going down in the same direction. Okay, and I like to trade at or near the moving average. So when the market opened, it found resistance up here. It was in this long uptrend. I didn't take any trades when the market opened. It wasn't until maybe 11 minutes after the market broke the 20 moving average, broke the 200 moving average. It bottomed out here, it retraced, and then you see this big red bar take out the prior two little green bars, and so that's how you know that a move is about to happen. So I get in short from 841 and I hold it till 845 when it looks like on the RSI it's about to touch the oversold area. People tend to cut their trades near the 30 RSI, so that's what I did as well. And that netted us 865 on the trade. So first trade of the day, I've already had a 3-to-1. Oh, and I should mention I risk about $300 per trade, and the fact that I made 865, that's already almost a 3-to-1 trade. Oh, and I should mention that I put my stop loss above the candle that I enter in on. So my protection is 1 bar. If that bar is taken out, then that's that. I move on to the next trade. So my second trade of the day, I avoid all of this because it's moving sideways. And now the 20 moving average is getting closer to the red line, the 200 moving average. I see from here, the market broke above the 20 moving average. It found a high here. This high broke this previous high. So now I know that this is a higher high. Now it needs to make a higher low. So it comes back to the 20 moving average. This big green bar takes out this red bar at or near the moving average. I go long, and also on the RSI, you can see that the line dips back to this blue line, which is the 50 RSI. If the RSI line is above the 50, we tend to be in a buying market, or a buying state. So I go long in this candle bar. I hold it all the way up here to the top of the RSI, and that got us 965. So I'm up 1830. My third trade of the day was a loser for 320. This was another higher high. It broke this previous high. It pulled back to the 20 moving average. I saw this green bar to break this red bar, so I thought this was a good long, but unfortunately I was wrong. I got stopped out for 320, and I even marked out this previous low as a level that the sellers might move price to, because this is the most recent higher low. So then it needs to make another higher low, and it just so happened to be back here. So I was unfortunately stopped out here, but that's okay. My final trade of the day, I saw that this is sort of a double bottom, and then I wait for a higher low. I wait for buyers to break the 20 moving average and then pull back. And you can see how the 20 moving average is still above the 200, and you wait for a green bar to break a red candle, if you're going long, that is. And I entered in here. I wanted to enter in this green bar, but I was slow to get in. But I still got in, and I held it, and I got out here, which put me over the 6K profit target mark, and that was 755. So you can see how I'm catching really good moves. Like, I got out with 755 here, but just look at the rest of the day after I stopped trading. I got in at 13,972, and it's still going all the way to a high of 14,306. But I probably would have taken multiple trades on this way up. I wouldn't have probably held it. And I tend to stop trading after 10:30 or after I've taken 3 trades. But today I took 4 because I just wanted to pass. So yeah, those are my trades for the day. Let me know what you think about the way I trade, or just any comments in general that you may have.